Hi everyone, welcome to my video. This is going to be the best Clickfunnels free, cheaper alternative for 2022. I'm going to be reviewing all-in-one internet marketing platform or suite of tools that does everything Clickfunnels does and more that you can use for your business and save yourself a ton of time, energy, and ultimately money, where you get everything conveniently in one place. If you want to check this tool out for yourself after I go over it, you like what you see, you want to check it out for free, the link's going to be in the video description box directly below this video or in the upper right hand side of this video itself. Click either one of these links, come on over, check this awesome tool out for yourself, sign up for a free account, play with it, and you can go over all these features yourself and see how you like it from there. But if you want to do all your internet marketing from one central location, then this is the free tool to get the job done right and save yourself massive amounts of time and save yourself massive amounts of money from the higher priced alternatives that are on the market, like ClickFunnels, etc. What I'm going to be doing right now is just be going over this, show you what it does exactly, briefly. And then I'm going to let you take it from there. Come on over here, sign up for your free account, play around with all the features, see if you like it, and enjoy it, use it, and where you can save yourself a lot of money, time, and like I said, energy, and get rid of all the unnecessary tools you have right now. And like I said, you're going to get everything from one central location. So let's dive in here. Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. Forget clunky online marketing tools that make you lose your hair trying to figure things out. We've made it easy to grow your online business. All the tools you need under the same roof. Sales funnels. You're going to create funnels easily based on proven templates. Email marketing. If you're using Aweber, GetResponse, or any other major autoresponder, email marketing autoresponder that's out there, you can get rid of it and use this to send your emails. You can send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. They got a website builder. You can easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. They have an affiliate program management feature where you can create an affiliate program and automate affiliate payouts. They have business automation. You can save time and energy by automating your business. They even have evergreen webinars. So if you have an expensive webinar software you're using, you don't need it. You got it on this platform right here. You can run evergreen webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Online courses. Have an online course you put together. Need a platform to sell it on? They have that here as well. You can build your online course and manage your students inside this platform. Blogging. You can create high converting content and get more traffic. You can also sell products. Become a drop shipper or sell your own products. You can create sales funnels. This replaces Kartra, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and lead pages. Click here to learn more. Send marketing emails, build websites, tells you a little bit more about all the features I just covered. Manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing. Now I'm going to dive into the platform here a little bit. This is inside the platform. I'm going to let you come in here and play with it. It's got a lot of features, but I'll go over a couple of them right here. Emails, newsletters, campaigns, funnels, blogs. You just click on the blog one. If you want to create a blog, click that button. Here's some templates for you to use. You can preview the template, select template. They give you the blog domain path, the name of your blog, URL path, and how to set all that up. Product sales, physical products, coupons, orders, transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, courses, course bundles, students, my affiliate program. So if you're a vendor, this is beautiful for you. You're going to have everything you need all in one place. Emails. Let's go back to here. Newsletters. If you want to create a newsletter, you click that button here, and you can create a newsletter. And here they are here. Subject, sender name, sender email address. You can create an email campaign, funnels. Just click the create button. Create a new funnel, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. And it's got US dollar and different currencies. Look at all the different currencies they have here. So no matter what country you're from, they probably got your currency covered. Here's a dashboard. Contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, product sales. There is all kinds of different settings inside this platform where you don't have to spend a ton of money to get everything in one place. You're going to have that all with this platform here called System.io. So click the link below in the video description box or in the upper right-hand corner of this video itself. Come check this out. Play with it. They also will transfer everything over for you as well from other platforms. Just reach out to them. They can do that for you as well. But they got everything you need to run your business all in one spot, and you can get started for free and check it out. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy this software. Bye-bye.